For over 30 years of innovation, we've been shaping the future of kettle cooking. We are powering professional kitchens to nourish whole societies. Every day, Dieta Kettles help prepare 840,000 meals on cruise ships, feeding passengers and crews of floating cities of the seas. In healthcare, Dieta Kettles produce over 1.5 million nutritious meals daily, serving the kitchens that serve recovery. Every day, 940,000 students are nourished with meals made using Dieta Kettles, fueling the future, one lunch at a time. We uphold societies by feeding the ones who defend them. Our kettles are trusted by armed forces across continents. By cooking perfectly healthy, delicious meals, Dieta Kettles help you energize your most valuable asset, your employees. Perfect for batch production, our kettles ensure precision and reliability in small-scale food operations. Wherever people gather, we help you serve them better.